How to open an HSBC bank account online in UK. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to open an HSBC bank account online in UK. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a web browser on your device and click search bar at top. Type in hsbc.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on the official interface of HSBC UK, where you need to make sure to follow the eligibility to open an account on HSBC Online Bank account in UK. Now click register button at top right corner of the screen. Now you have to simply scroll down and then you can download the application as well, or you can register for mobile on online banking. So here is the video given. You can easily look for that and then you can also click on register now button at bottom left corner of the screen. So there are short steps to complete to register for digital banking. You need to verify your identity and create your digital or security details. So click continue button and now you need to verify your identity. So you need to first choose a verification method, whether you want a sort code and account number, credit card, invest direct account number or PMS account number and click continue button. Once done, you need to simply go through the on-screen prompts like entering your credit card number, date of birth, telephone security number, and after that you will be able to create an HSBC account in UK. That's all. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and like, share and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. See you in the next video.